Hello there, hello everywhere. I'm back and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to drive along the only international airport in Doha, which is Hamad International Airport. We're gonna show you the architectural design of the airport, just only outside. It's gonna be a quick vlog and I hope you'll enjoy it. Metro station, and you could see a train there moving. We are now starting our way to Hamad International Airport. This airport is named after the former Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa al-Thani. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. There is a fine if you will be driving fast, so just be careful. Speed cameras are everywhere. That is the entrance for Amiri Airport or Amiri Terminal, where the VIPs, dignitaries, royal flights are departing and arriving. So that is the Amiri Terminal. Look at that building. What a beauty. Welcome to Hamad International Airport. Hamad International Airport is the sole international airport in the state of Qatar, located south of its capital, Doha. It replaced the former Doha International Airport as Qatar's principal airport, formerly known as Doha International Airport. Hamad International Airport was originally scheduled to open in 2009. But after a series of costly delays, the airport finally opened on 30 April 2014. Over there is the Banana Island. So if you happen to check in there, your view will be Hamad International Airport. metro station. We have plenty of parking space. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more updates. Thank you so much.